सब्सक्राइब करें श्रुति अर्जुन आनंद चैनल को और बेल बटन पे क्लिक करें लेटेस्ट ब्यूटी एंड मेकअप वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hey guys, Shruti here. Today I bring for you all an amazing video. So this is makeup kit under 500. All the products in this makeup kit are under 500 rupees, which is awesome, right? So jaldi se like button पे तो click तुरंत दबा दो. And not only that, I am going to tell you what is the purpose of every product in this makeup kit as well. So चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. Of course, I need to include a face primer in my kit. So this one is from Nivea. It's their sensitive aftershave balm. It works perfectly fine as a face primer. Now, face primer creates a barrier between your skin and your makeup so that makeup doesn't get into the deep into your skin and your pores as well. And उसकी वजह से पिंपल्स नहीं होते, ब्रेकआउट्स नहीं होते, और अगर आप डेली भी मेकअप इस्तेमाल करते हो तो भी मेकअप की वजह से आपको कोई पिंपल्स या ब्रेकआउट्स या इस तरीके की चीजें नहीं होंगी. Our next product is a foundation which we use for making our skin tone even and to make our face look flawless. The one I have here is from Lakme. It's their liquid foundation. The only downside of this foundation is you cannot find it in different colors. और अगर स्पेशली आपकी थोड़ी डार्कर स्किन टोन है तो आपको कलर नहीं मिल पाएगा, तो आप कलर एसेंस का भी फाउंडेशन है वो भी ट्राई कर सकते हो, बिकॉज इसमें आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी डीप कलर्स हैं और हर स्किन टोन के लिए आपको एक कलर मिल जाएगा, तो आप कलर एसेंस का भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. Then come concealers. Now concealer are actually an extension of foundation which are even more thicker and they cover up more. So क्या होता है कि अगर आपके डार्क सर्कल्स हैं या कोई एक ब्लेमिश है या आपके पिगमेंटेशन है, ऐसी कोई चीज़ को आप हाइड करना चाहते हो, for that you are going to use a concealer. And the one I have in this kit is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. It retails for somewhere around 450 rupees. मोस्टली सेल पे रहता है, तो ये तो बेस्ट है, तो that's why I'm recommending this only. Now after applying foundation and concealer, if there is extra amount of moisture, for that you need to apply a powder. If you're not going to do it, your foundation is going to cake as well as it's going to crease. So applying the foundation powder is extremely important. So I am recommending, ये भी कोई बताने की बात है, my L'Oreal Matte Magique powder because I love it and I use it in every tutorial, so that's why I'm recommending this one. To give our cheeks that healthy pink glow, we need a blush. ब्लश एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट होता है जो कि हम अपने चीक्स पे यहाँ लगाते हैं और हमारे चीक्स जो हैं वो नेचुरली पिंक दिखने लगते हैं. And the one I have here is a V-Face blush contour from Maybelline. The reason why I'm recommending this one is because this shade right here, which is brown, it looks like brown, but it actually transfers as a peach shade on Indian skin tone, and this is the by far best color ever. You need to try this one out because it looks really natural and phenomenal in photographs especially. And then comes highlighter. Highlighter are used for making our skin look glowy and beautiful, youthful, dewy. Now the one I have here is from Bharat and Doris. मैंने तो ये सेल पे खरीदा था. Now it has some golden reflex in it which makes your skin amazing. Now if you have Indian skin tone, this is the shade or this is the undertone you should go for, a golden undertone, because it actually, when it reflects light, it gives you a feeling that your face is healthy looking or your skin is healthy looking. But if you use a silver undertone highlighter, somehow I feel like it gray out. So that's why I always go for a highlighter which has golden undertone in it. Moving on to eye makeup, the first product I have here is a eyebrow pencil, and this one is from Lakme. The reason why I like it is because when you sharpen it, it actually gives you a very pointed edge. So it's very easy and convenient if you want to fill your eyebrows. स्पेशली जैसे कि होता है ना, कभी कभी आईब्रोज पे बॉल्ड स्पॉट होता है या बाल नहीं होते हैं, तो उसको फिल करने के लिए बहुत आसान होता है. सो अब आती है हमारी सबकी प्यारी काजल पेंसिल. एंड मुझे नहीं लगता आपको बताने की जरूरत है कि काजल पेंसिल हम क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं, राइट? सो द वन आई हैव हियर इज फ्रॉम Maybelline. It's their lasting drama waterproof gel pencil and it is amazing. You guys know that I love their gel liner. The formulation is kind of very similar, intense black, smudge proof, waterproof, amazing. For liquid liner, I have two different pens. You can choose whichever you want. The reason why I'm recommending a pen is because it's very easier and convenient for you to draw a line with it, as well as it's very easy for you to hold that pen, because when you apply it, you need to make sure your hands are not shaky. अगर आपके हाथ कपकपाते हैं आईलाइनर लगाते वक्त, तो आप जरूर ट्राई कीजिए पेन, बिकॉज पेन को हमें इस्तेमाल करने की आदत होती है ना, so that's why it's very easy. And the one I have here is Maybelline the Colossal Liner and iTech Dazzler Liner. Girls, this one is so damn true black. You need to try this one out. Especially the tip of this liner is amazing. Moving on to mascaras. Mascaras are used for coating our lashes and to make them look longer and thicker. And the one I have here is Maybelline the Hyper Curl Volume Express Easy Wash Mascara. Now, अगर जब हम mascara की ज़्यादा कोट लगा लेते हैं तो कभी-कभी वो क्लम्प नहीं हो जाता. So that's why this one is beginners friendly. एक कोट लगाओ और आपका काम हो जाएगा because the consistency of this mascara is perfect. For a good eyeshadow palette under 500, I searched and this is the one which I liked because my top priority was that it should be available throughout India, and Lakme 9 to 5 palette is available. And all the 4 colors are first of all so complementing to all Indian skin tone, and these 2 colors you can apply in daytime. These 2 are good for great parties, so you are sorted out. You can apply them daily as well, and if you are going for a party, still you have some eyeshadow colors for you. लिपस्टिक के बिना कोई भी मेकअप किट कंप्लीट हो सकती है क्या? नहीं ना. तो here comes lipsticks. Now, because everybody has a different preference when it comes to lip color, some people like pink, some people like red. So that's why I have a recommendation for almost all the shades which you need for a beginner makeup kit. The first one is a neutral brown shade, and this one is from Elitine. It's a perfect neutral brown shade, and it's a perfect Duran dupe of my favorite lipstick from MAC called Mocha. If you love neutral shades, you're going to love this one. This is Lively Violet from Maybelline. This is a perfect blend of pink and purple in it. Summers are here and we all love that pop of color on our lips. So I have this bright pink color, Wow Pink from Elitine. As we say, orange is the new black. I have an orange lipstick here. This one is 03 from Nykaa Paint Stick. Next is a red shade, and this one is Red 2000 from Avon. आपने मोस्टली पिक्चर्स में देखा होगा कि दीपिका मरून कलर की लिपस्टिक जरूर लगाती है, and this is that kind of a shade. This is Cherry Rush from Avon. And in last, I have my personal favorite Maroon Match from Lakme 9 to 5. This color looks beautiful. It's a brownie maroon shade. It goes pretty well with all your Indian outfits. So that completes our video. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं फ्यूचर में ऐसे अच्छे वीडियोस जल्दी आपके लिए लेके आ सकूं, तो जल्दी से क्लिक कर दीजिए उस लाइक बटन पे, और साथ ही साथ अपने दोस्तों से, अपने फ्रेंड्स से व्हाट्सएप पे और फेसबुक पे ये वीडियो शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कौन करेगा? आज ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू ए वर्चुअल हगी. ओके, तो मिलती हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.